How's it going, guys? My name is Tavarish, and this is an update to one of my very long-standing projects, and it's a little bit bittersweet because it's no longer here. Yeah, I actually got rid of a car that you guys wanted me to finish, and honestly, I just couldn't. With cars like this, I don't have time, and I certainly don't have money to do any other projects in addition to this. Now, I am going to do other projects when this is finished, but this car kind of, well, it broke my heart just because it's a little more work than I was expecting, and this car is this. So it's already on a U-Haul, about to go to its final resting place, which is a parts car for a now good friend of mine, Mr. Erik Cruz. You guys know him from, well, the tuning escapades of that car. Now, he actually has an MR2 of his own, so this is going to be a very good parts car, especially because I have way more parts than just this car. I have a full interior, I have a bunch of, well, miscellaneous stuff, and with these cars, you definitely need miscellaneous stuff. But to get this car started, we did have to do a few things, and, well, one of them, the main thing, is the fact that there is no relay here. This is an ignition relay, and what I had to do was honestly just bridge this gap. It was super ghetto, but that's how we started the car. And the car only ran on a few cylinders, only ran on I think 2 or 3 cylinders, because when the car was in my backyard, yeah, you can take a look at that. That's a rat's nest, and the rat has chewed through the one of the ignition coil wires. But that's not a big issue. That can be remedied relatively quickly. But I don't know. I'm gonna miss this car. I know a lot of you had asked me about what I'm gonna do with this car, and to be honest, this is not gonna be the last MR2 on my channel. I am going to be working with a company called Prime Driven, and we're going to see if maybe in the future we can get a car that we can actually give away. And it's not going to be this car because, well, actually that was going to be the whole point of the project. It was going to be a giveaway car that I would work on and make new again. The problem was with this car, it had an accident in the back and an accident in the front. And it didn't really, well, it was a big liability for anybody that wanted an MR2. I didn't want to put my name on something like this, and I certainly wouldn't want to sell a car like this. So I basically just gave it away to Erik, and he's going to take good care of it, and he's going to use the good parts of this car to make his car even better. So what I'm going to do in the coming months, maybe by the end of the year, I'm going to get another MR2. I'm going to be on the look for a good one, perhaps a hardtop. I don't know, those are kind of rare, but a good working example. And then what we're going to do is just kind of remake everything in our own image. We're just going to do a wheel setup, a suspension, brakes, just make it really, really nice, really good all-around cruiser, and make sure that it has the power as well. If you guys want to see what happens to it, then you can go over to Erik's Instagram. I'm not sure if he's going to start a YouTube channel. Actually, you know what? Everybody in the comments, I want you to spam his Instagram and tell him to start a YouTube channel. This guy needs to do that, because I've been telling him for a while he needs to really ramp it up, and I think this is the perfect car to start it off with. So yeah, you guys just bother him. So before it leaves, I want to take a look on the inside to make sure that we got everything, and we actually did get a lot of work done on the interior. We put the turbo middle portion right here. We did put in a bunch of turbo components because I did have a turbo parts car, and the car is I mean, this isn't clean, but it's clean enough that everything is here. So I also have all the missing parts in that container right there. So yeah, this should be a really good donor car, especially with these door cards. All right, she is ready to go, and it is, again, very, very bittersweet. You can see how much stuff is actually in here. It's loading the Sequoia here quite a bit. It's I think this might be overloading it a little bit, but the bumpers on here, there's a lot of parts. I mean, take a look. We have like a new exhaust in there, seats, and the trunk is full of stuff, and the Sequoia is full of stuff, and also Erik's Outback over there is full of stuff. This should be a really good project for Erik. It should be a really good project for anybody except for me, because I just don't have time, and this isn't something I want to sell necessarily to anybody. So hope you guys understand, hope you guys feel the same way I do, and hope you guys are excited. The ones that love the MR2, hope you guys are excited, because I will be having an MR2 on this channel in the coming months. But if you guys have seen my Instagram or Twitter, you'll know that I picked something up recently that may be a little bit more exciting than this. So if you'd like to contact me, you can do so at TheRealTavarish. That's Instagram and Twitter. Facebook.com/AskTavarish, and AskTavarish@gmail.com is my email. I read every single one. If you'd like to buy a shirt that says "You are the warranty" by saying "I am the warranty," you can do so at the Teespring store down below, and all the proceeds go to charity every month. And if you'd like to listen to me talk, you can do so at the link below to my I'm not sure if it's going to be daily, but to my podcast, and that's going to be a lot of fun. But until next time, it's me telling you that on cars like this that are getting new homes, but we're going to get something even better, you guys need to wrench every day.